What is going on, everyone, beautiful people? If you're wondering, yes, I've just woken up, but not to worry, because I'm gonna be whipping up a classic Kiwi dessert. Another one for Christmas, yes, it's a showstopper. Oh my God, I don't even wanna sell. It's genuinely one of the best textured items you can have for Christmas. All right, if you don't wanna believe me, I've got a Christmas party tomorrow. I'm making enough for 30 people. Everyone loves Ambrosia. There's so many different ways you can do it yourself, but watch along, follow along. For all you internationals out there, this is how Kiwis have Christmas. So kick back, relax, and Sleepy Joe's gonna get straight into the best Ambrosia recipe you'll put in your mouth. But honestly, there's some seagulls hanging out on my roof and I'm f***ing sick of it, eh? I think I just need to pop them once and they'll go away. Get out of here, you stupid bird. Oh my God, you really don't wanna go. I've got a bowl here, this is huge, but I don't think it's gonna be big enough for 30 people. Yeah, nah. So, Ambrosia, pretty much, let's get everything out. You whip up your cream into soft peaks, you combine it with the yogurt, add in your marshmallows and any other candy that you like. I love flakes, and I love adding like real strawberries too. I actually love seeing everyone's comments, so shout out to everyone commenting on just whatever recipe that you are seeing. Like, not only does it help boost the video for the algorithm, but I love reading them myself. And you know, with Christmas, when I was growing up, I used to go over to like this Filipino people's house, have some Christmas with them. So fun, so fun. I love just like going around to different people's houses and just not farting around. Being a bit of a nuisance, eh? But I mean, that's what it's about, especially when you're poor. Poor people have each other. You've got to be annoying. Okay, 1.2 liters of cream in here. I will give you the proper recipe measurements as well if you're gonna make for like 6 or 8. I need the battery. So for every 200 mils, we need a tablespoon of icing sugar. 400, 600, 800, 1,000, and a little bit of change. Yeah, that should be enough. The first time I had Ambrosia was at my friend's birthday party when I was like 14. I went like 6, 7, 8, no. I went like 9 or 10 years. I went like 10 years without having tasted Ambrosia again. Which is ridiculous because if you have kids or anything, like they will froth over this. You just put some of your favorite biscuits and yogurt, whatever flavors they like, you just add it in. All right, we're at the soft peak stage, 100%. 4 tablespoons of vanilla. 2, 3, 4. And have a little taste. I think it's lacking a bit of vanilla, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Yeah, should be better. Yogurt goes in. And so my plan is to make everything all in one bowl and then divvy it into a smaller bowl. If you take your cream to close to butter, you don't have to feel bad. And I'm just totally saying that because I'm trying to cope, trying to make myself feel a little bit better. But just fold it in. Try your best to fold. No, you don't even need to try your best, bro. You guys will be making this easy as. Follow the recipe in the description. And since you're there, make sure you like the video. You're subbed up. You're about to share it to all your friends. Oh my God, bro. I'm trying to speed run this. I'm getting frustrated because it's taking long. So guys, moral of the story, if you find yourself taking like way too long, like maybe you just need to shut the fuck up. Okay, hold on. Last bag, last bag, last bag, last bag. All our marshmallows are done. So Monday I went to the golf course. I forgot my putter because I was gonna play. I met a pro. We're just yarning, chatting. And then, yeah, we're just blasting balls next to each other. And then I asked him to have a look at my driver swing. Because I haven't been using a driver for like 10 months. I've been playing golf for like 12 months. So I was just like, nah. Anti-driver because it always goes out of play. Just yuck. Messy. I wasn't having fun. And so he gave me a little bit of advice. He just said, just set your driver like your irons. And then I just started blasting them. And I was like, you know what? Like, I'm so mentally itchy from that moment, because not only did like my brain chemistry just like change in that moment, or like my thoughts, I haven't been able to rest. I think I need to go back to the golf course. Try it like in an actual game. I love adding flakes to my dessert, so I've got 2 packets of these. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Guys, we're almost done. Bicep cramp. We're at genuine max capacity. This goes back into the fridge. We just need to keep it cold. Marshmallows go into this. Strawberries go on top of that. So the strawberry juice is going to help soften the marshmallows, and it just makes it a little bit easier combining them. And then just have a look at this. This is how it's like looking. All that strawberry juice is just actually going into the marshmallows, dude, and it's doing all this good stuff to it. Softening it up. So mess hall time. Chuck the yogurt, cream mixture, flake into here. It's about, I don't know, halfway. We'll give some for the tex. That's for dessert tonight. Strawberry marshmallow mixture. Chuck that in to, yeah, this is evil genius activities. Because I'm looking at this bowl and I'm like, bro, this can definitely serve 8 people in this green bowl alone. We got tex. It's a little bit too much, I reckon, but it should be right. Oh, jeez. I think I'm cooked, eh? I think I'm cooked, because look how much we got left. Okay, let's try. I don't think we'll go 2 handfuls to begin with, and then mix it in. Oh, this is actually looking so good. I'm actually stoked with how this is looking. And then add more. Yes, sir. Make sure to add to the next bowl, and then make sure to add to the text bowl. Yeah, not too much. Let's just had a lock in for a bit, and then we've got our treats, we've got our rewards. If you're making ambrosia for your own family or anything like that, you don't need to worry. It doesn't take anywhere near as long. I fully promise that. I swear on my heart that you can make it, whip it up within half an hour. One of the ultimate New Zealand sweet treats, and this is typically made a lot more than pavlova because it's so much easier to make. Oh, I'm gonna add some of these chocolate finger biscuits into the tex, but let's dish up a portion from El Tex. Okay, there we go. Today on the 3rd costume change is Misa Misa and the Shinigami. Cheers to every single one of you guys watching. Another recipe done before Christmas, so shout out. This bite's for you guys. Such a beautiful, beautiful texture. The delicious chocolate biscuits give it a nice crunch. Because this is my first time having like a crunchy ambrosia. Typically it's just soft. Like with the marshmallows, it's like biting a trampoline. And you're like jumping on a trampoline. Just picture the first time you jumped on a trampoline as a child. That's what it feels like eating ambrosia. One huge ass ambrosia, size of my head, plus size. Another plus ambrosia size. What do you think? Is that enough to feed 30 people? Because I do. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please make sure you've liked, comment down below anything. Make sure you're subbed up, share to all your friends. Christmas is, we're here. There's no more time. If you're stuck, make an ambrosia. And I'll catch you all on the next one.